Welcome to Excel automation using Python programming. So just import pandas as PD. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Imported pandas and then imported matplotlib library dot pyplot as plt. Now it's time to get the path of the Excel file. Say workbook1, this is the variable, equals, and path of the Excel. Suppose this is the path where Excel is residing, dot employee dot xlsx. Okay, this line is coming invalid escape sequence. So what to do in Python? Just give one more backslash. So this issue will be resolved. One more backslash, so you can see this issue will be resolved. Now come down and try to read PD, because pandas as PD we have written pd.read excel, pd.read excel, and give workbook1 and try to store in a variable, say data frame. So stored in data frame. Now if you want to print, you can print data frame, control S. Okay, just print data frame and see what is the output. Alt Shift F10 and then enter. Here you can see you will be getting all the entries you will be getting, ID, name, salary from the Excel sheet. Okay, if you want to see the Excel, you can open this Excel, ID, name, salary, and same you can visualize in this code. This is giving all the data. Now if you see head, control S and once again run. If you run this, you will be getting the ID, name, salaries. Here you will be getting unique 01201234 ID, name, and salary. If you remove head, control S, alt shift F10, then enter, you will be getting entire data. Okay, so this is the entire data. Now what to do? Now try to take the values equals, what kind of values? From data frame and double square bracket, and inside that you want to take ID, and then comma operator, and then take salary, SALARY, salary values. So with data frame, take the values. You want to print that, you can print values, control S, alt shift F10, and then enter. Here you can see the values, only ID and salary. Now if you want to plot chart like bar chart on these values, so that can be done. Suppose values dot plot dot bar for bar chart, and take say x equals say id, okay, comma, say y equals salary, okay, and rotation rot equals 0. I am not storing in a variable. Just what I am going to do, I am going to do plt, because matplotlib.pyplot we have taken as plt.show. Control S, Alt Shift F10 and enter. So here you can see one interesting graph for this program. Okay, how? Because we have taken id and salary, then Alt Shift F10, enter, stop and run. So here you can see graph. So this graph is generating by automation technique. Okay, once again, if you want to see, you can see that graph. Let's run once again. Alt Shift F10, enter, and then see the graph. So this is how we can plot the graph. So this is salary 20 to 80, and this is id. So for id you can see the graph. This is how we can automate Excel using Python. Hope it will help. Thank you.